Hello, everyone. My name is Chrome, also known as Jacob. I'm one of the co-founders here at Collective Finance, and I'm here today to walk through our new DApp and Mint and Redeem feature. So to start things off, you can go ahead and see this is the dashboard, the front page of the new DApp. It will show some metrics like the current Seagold price. This is currently linked to the RBDEX pair, as well as the current market cap, the total supply. So essentially what you could need right there, right here on the front page. It'll also show the current market rate for 1 gram of gold. So this is not Seagold, but this is actually the current market rate for what 1 gram of gold is trading at, as well as what 1 troy ounce is trading at. So right here, you'll be able to see both of those and go off of that. Down right below there, you'll see a little balance and claimable rewards. This is not in effect yet until we have our NFT staking completed and added on so that users can stake the NFTs, receive the rewards. This is where you'll be able to kind of see some of those. Next, you have our holdings. It's currently only linked to the vault, as that's the only one that has information right now. You can see our PAXG, USDC, and USDT holdings and where they're at. So, majority of the PAXG will always be held in the ETH vault, as you can see, currently 93%. There's some in the Arbitrum vault as well as the Minter contract. USDC, there's none in the ETH vault. It's mainly for the PAXG. The rest is in the ARB vault as well as the Minter. Same with USDC. None in the ETH vault, mostly in the ARB vault, and then some in the Minter. So there you can kind of see a little bit of our metrics, our holdings, and what Seagold looks like. Now to move on to Mint and Redeem. So you can head on to the side, click on Mint and Redeem. Here you'll come to this page and you'll see a little bit more metrics. So you'll see the Seagold supply, 1,544, as well as the collateral where it's held, a little bit of a breakdown. So currently 101% collateralized with 83% PAXG, 10% USDT, and 6.4% USDC. Now let's jump over into the mint side. So here you'll be able to see you can mint Seagold tokens using PAXG, USDC, or USDT on Arbitrum 1. In this example, I will be using USDT, so we're going to go ahead and connect our wallet. Simple as that. Now we can see I have a balance of roughly 75 USDT. I'm just going to go ahead and use the max. You will see down below exactly how much Seagold you will receive, and this is after paying a 2% fee. There is a 2% fees both ways, that being minting and redeeming. So this is after the 2% fee, what you will be receiving. So I'm going to go ahead and mint. It's going to pop up. I'm going to confirm and sign the transaction. So I'm approving up to the amount I'd like to spend, which would be roughly 75 USDT. I'm going to approve that, wait again, and now it's going to pop up with the actual transaction. Go ahead and confirm this. And there we go. Confirm. So our balance of USDC is now gone, and you can see on the right side of the redeem, our balance of Seagold has went up. And just to confirm that, we will go into our MetaMask assets, Seagold 1.18. Fantastic. So nice and easy, very simple. Real quick, before jumping into the next part, we're going to quickly talk about what we like to call the float pool. This is the collateral that gets sent into the Minter contract for the redeem side. So it's important to note that when you mint, approximately 23% will go into the float pool, 2% goes into the fee collector, and 75% will go into the Arbitrum vault. So this is all to back Seagold tokens, with the percentage going into the float pool for the redeem side of things. And this float pool is important as we need people to be able to redeem. You can see what's available in this from the DApp side. You can see the USDT, USDC, and PAXG available for redeeming. If there is not enough for you to complete the redeem, then just reach out to us to complete an OTC deal, which will just go through the standard rate of a 2% fee. That way we can get everything sorted and handled. So now we're going to head on over to the redeem side, and we're going to redeem our Seagold for USDT. So we can see here, we can use our max, and you'll see exactly how much you will receive, and this is after the 2% fee. So you'll notice at the end of this, we received less than what we started with, and this is because of the 2% fee on both sides. 2% fee for minting and 2% fee for redeeming. I'm going to go ahead and confirm this transaction. It's going to ask to give me the spending limit. I'm going to use max. Prove that, and it will pop up with the next transaction to actually go through with the redeeming process. Go ahead and confirm that. Arbitrum, super quick network, so this should be done very quickly here. There we go. Go ahead and look. There we are, back to our USDC. So we very easily and very quickly just went from going minting Seagold to redeeming Seagold. Now, the reason why this is so important to have this mint and redeem function is that it helps to maintain and keep the price of C tokens stable through market arbitrage. When Seagold price is below its peg point, people can buy from the LP and go ahead and redeem to make a profit. When Seagold price is above its peg price, you can go ahead and use the DApp to mint and sell into the LP pool. Also, it's important to note that the 2% fee is just for the start, and this will be adjusted as adoption rate for the mint and redeem and Seagold grows. Lastly, it's good to remember that if you have an Angel NFT, once we have our NFT staking complete, you will be able to stake that NFT and receive your 50% discount on the mint and redeem fees, making it a 1% fee instead of 2. Thank you everybody so much. Hope you all have a great day or night, and bye-bye.